So, hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. And today's episode, I know it's been a while, so I'm literally here outside our house, like especially at our rooftop, to update you what's happening to my life. So, before anything else, I will just go into pop some drink so we can start and back up to what's been happening to my life because I have literally a list of things I want to like share with all of you, like what everything, like seriously everything. A little bit, a little bit of SMR. Quite cringy, honestly. But you know what? Just start and update you all what have been happening. Honestly, our neighborhood's music is quite blasting right now, and I don't think so that you've been hearing it, or probably you can hear it, but not as loud as I can hear it. Since this mic right now has anti-noise. Thank gosh. So let's start. So by the way, I'm going to use my other phone to like see the checklist I have para hindi tayo pa ulit-ulit ang discussion. First things first, I would love to like update you all is my house job hunting or life after oath taking like. So after oath taking, that's around like end of November to like first week of December, wala po akong ginawa kundi gumala, yung gumala at gumala. So, at during that time, parang wala talaga ako sa ano, sa mood pag-apply. Parang kasing, ano mo yun, adult crisis, like, tinatanong ko na yung sarili ko na, what I'm going to do? Like, ano bang gagawin ko? Ganun, mag-a-apply na ba ako? Magpapahinga muna ba ako? Ganun. So, yeah, ang ginawa ko nung that year, like, last bit of 2025, ay nagpahinga lang. Okay. Nagpahinga, gumala, pinagod yung sarili kung saan-saan, ganun. And then, the moment 2026 start, like, literally, naramdaman ko na yung pressure. Like, lagi ako tinatanong na, oh, kailan mo gusto mag-apply, ganun. So, nag-apply ako, be, without them knowing. So, I open an account sa Indeed, and then, there's another app where you can apply a job. So, I open account on those. Oh, I remember the name. It's JobStreet. And then, I open account on both, like Indeed and JobStreet. I even apply at LinkedIn, by the way. Pero, like, mahirap mag-apply lalo na is yung career or like program na pinili ko, like nursing is quite in demand and masyado siyang mahirap ang ano, application period nun since maraming competitive at maraming alam mo yun, mas may experience sa'yo na pwedeng ma-hire kasi sa'yo na new graduate no experience other than internship nila sa mga hospital. So, anong nangyari, hindi naman ako nakakuha agad ng like pag-interviewhan. So, I applied a lot, quite a lot to the point na parang umabot siya ng 30s to like 50s different places. Parang yung iba sobrang lalayo pa. And then one day, nag-apply ako dito sa ano na 'to kasi tinry ko lang siya. It's actually a dialysis, hindi siya nasa ospital. So, it's like a sandcar. And then, luckily, tinawagan ako para interviewin. Then, pumunta ako doon. Actually, hindi ko pa nga dapat siya pupuntahan. Kasi may isa pa ako in-applyan. Tapos sabay, dalawa sila ng araw na yun. And then, I was running late during that day. To the point na parang nasa overfast ako noon. And then, isip ko, ano ba sa dalawang yun yung pipiliin kung puntahan nung araw na yun. Kasi medyo nga running late ako. Tapos yung isa parang, wala naman, sinabi siya ng oras pero hindi naman pala kailangan sa oras na yun nandun ka na. dun ako pumunta by the way. Dun sa isa na may sinabing oras na requirement pero you know what, pagdating dun nag-antay ako ng quite a few, then interview na ako and it was a quick interview and then the next thing I knew, week after, tinawagan ako ng pinaka-boss namin and then the next and then binigyan na nila ako ng offer and then actually I have another interview nun para sa hospital naman siya pero nasa malayo-layo siya, nasa around Cavite yun, so medyo malayo ako sa Cavite so hindi ko siya for the second time. Actually, bineg ko yung hospital na yun. Bigyan nila ako another opportunity na ma-interviewin ako. Pero hindi ko siya pinuntahan to the second time. Kasi nung the moment na nabigyan ako ng offer, parang nasabi ko sa sarili ko, ay dito na ako. For unknown reason, pinili ko siya. And now, I'm hired and it's been 5 months to be exact since I was hired sa center namin. Quite, messy and long journey for me. Kasi at first, parang feeling ko hindi siya destined. Like, nandun ako magtatrabaho. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang naku-question mo yung sarili mo kasi ang daming gawang mali, para bang wala kang natutunan, ganun. Pero, at the end of the day, umabot tayo ng 5 months. Even ko, the first few weeks or month nung ko dun sa center na yun, munti ka na ako mag-resign. We are not that strong, I realize. Okay, so that's what's been happening after no oath taking. And surprisingly, sabi ng mga coworker ko na parang ang ano ko naman sa life, go, go, go. Kasi after ng just few months, nag-graduate ka, tapos pa after nun, pumasa ka ng board, and then pahinga ng kote, and then apply na at wala. Do you even rest? I don't. Okay, for the next topic, the sun is setting and it's hitting my face quietly, so don't mind my quite orange face right now. So let's move on to the next topic. And the music still blasting, so forgive our neighbors and their music taste. I mean, their music taste is good, but seriously, it didn't blast that a while ago. Anyway, we gotta move on. As you all know, I'm still working at my current job, like yung in-applyan ko na kinwento ko a while ago. And now for education part, yes, girls, already graduate na ako. Feeling ko na vlog ko na to at the past YouTube videos ko. And also, nakapasa na rin ako ng board exam. That also was vlogged and documented on my YouTube videos. Just watch that if you want more detailed, okay? But for the further education moments ko, kung gusto ko pa ba mag-aral ulit, like, mga vocationals and other certification trainings na inatinan ko or gusto ko pang atinan this year and then probably next year and then other years coming, I am going to. Actually, nag-train ako this year ng ACLS and BLS ulit since BLS BLS certification ko or yung training ko with Red Cross nag-expired na siya and then required siya sa center namin since girl palliative and rehabilitative type of work namin. So, pag may nag-code, kailangan may alam ka paano ang gagawin. So, nag-BLS ako ulit for the sake of it. Like, 2 years yun, yung niya, before siya mag-expired ulit. And then, nag-ACLS ako, same sila, 2 years din bago siya mag-expired ulit. And another training or like another like certification I want to get was probably the CNN, which is a certified nephrologist nurse, which is you need a lot of requirements to like take the exam, like going to like training to become dialysis training and etc. Like other trainings like IVP, and then parang to be honest, yung pinaka-in-specify na trainings na kailangan mo para maging CNN ay dialysis training. Like, nag-train ka para maging, the proper dialysis training. Kasi wala kaming ganun. Okay? Wala akong ganun. Nag-apply ako ng dialysis. Wala. Okay? Hinire lang ako. Tapos natuto ako doon. Habang ongoing yung 5 months na yon. 6 months probation ako. So, magsi 6 months na ang baby girl nyo. At I'm shook. Like, anyway. So, the next thing is IVT training, which is kailangan magaling ka siya pagka-cannulate. Okay? That's one of the essential like skill of dialysis nursing kasi dapat alam mo paano sila i-locate ganun. Medyo nangangapapa ko doon sa part na yun. So, we're getting there. Okay? So, aside from being a CNN, I'm planning to be like, get some other trainings and probably go to like seminars to gain some CPDs kasi, PRC. We need CPD to renew our license. And I'm planning to renew it. I don't know hanggang kailan ko balak maging nurse actually. Kasi, nag-iisip din ako kung magsa-switch career ako. Parang gusto ko silang pagsabayan at the same time. If yung nagtatanong kayo anong career yun, you will find out soon. In the future and 5 years time. Okay? Wala pa akong balak mag-switch career and anytime soon. Like, in 3 years time, like, no way. And, ayoko na magmara. So, yun. Is side hustles. Like, do I gain some side hustle already or do I want some side hustle in the future? The answer, like, do we already gain some side hustle is we're getting there. But at the same time, I'm trying to figure it out. Kasi I'm trying to be like TikTok affiliate, like build this secret account. May enough followers na siya to like sell. Okay, excuse me for that. That's the acid coming up. Anyway, that account, secret account, TikTok account for like affiliation, like selling things, promoting, and etc. is have like enough followers to like do all those needed kaso I'm trying to figure out how I want that account to like move. Like, do I want like create a personality like POVs or just aesthetic no face type of shit na sorry for that type of thing na products lang yung nakikita, hindi ko alam. Pero kasi earlier this year I bought some things like I can use for like if I wanted to do like POVs, like showing my face but not really showing my face. Okay, nakikipaglaban po ako sa music. Ang ingay niya. My God. Anyway, so yun na nga. So, I bought those things, parang props para, POV siya type. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-i-start kasi our house is not quite aesthetic looking and isn't noticeable like type of house that if you will see me doing things around our house, you will know that it was me. And you know what? I have another TikTok account, which is my main account where I can do shits like normally, like doing trends and etc. Which I want to like build for like future purposes. It's not that I want to be an influence, but I want those PR packages and brand trips. Anyway, so yun pa lang ang naiisip kong side hustle. But so far, and for future plans then, I want to do like investing and businesses. Hindi ko pa alam anong specific type of businesses ang gusto ko, pero I also have like other side hustle in mind, like writing novels, creating music, and doing artworks. But none of those like nagagawa ko na, hindi pa. At ginagawa ko na hindi. So, hanggang dun lang yun siya. Pero hopefully, by end of this year or kaya bago man lang matapos tong buwan na 'to or kaya next month, magawa ko na siya, like masimulan. Like, I'm tired of being lazy na talaga. So, let's do a drink break. Just, I just realized today that I'm such a yapper. Imagine in one topic, 4 minutes to 5 minutes. Like, my gosh. And by the way, I forgot to tell you regarding about my TikTok main account. They're gaining some followers. We came from being or having 85 followers to 182 right now. 1,000 followers goal is quite far pa, but we're getting there little by little and quite far of myself, you know. And some of my TikTok videos too has gaining a lot of like views, like 1,000, 10,000 to 20,000 type of shit na views. Like, slay. Anyway. And hindi na ako masyado nahihiya sa pag-host ko sa TikTok mo. Probably sa FB, medyo nahihiya pa ako kasi yung mga coworkers ko. Trend ko sila sa FB, okay? Pati yung ibang pasyente namin. Hindi ko alam ba't nila ako yun. Special hour patient. Nag-gets ko yung sa coworker part, pero hindi yung sa patient. Guru close ko lang sila talaga. And then, next thing is travels. Ito na talaga ang paborito kong part. Traveling. So, if you're asking, how's my traveling plan this year? Or kaya last year? Or saan na ako nakapunta? Type of shit. We've gone to a lot of places. I'm telling you this. So, first thing first, last year, di pa ako nakakapasal, gumagala na ako. So, pumunta ako ng Mahay concert, like, Color concert, alam ko. Color Coaster concert. And then, pagkatapos noon, may another concert akong pinuntahan around November. Like, December. Or like, by end of November. Okay, wait lang. So, by, like, end of November to, like, first weeks of the December, umattend ako ng Hillsong. Finally, naka-attend na po tayo ng Hillsong concert! So, last year, actually, year before 2025, I was supposed to like attend ng Hillsong concert pero hindi ako naka-attend kasi nagkaroon kami ng exam. So, binenta ko siya for the same price ng ticket na kung magkano yung ticket na nabili ko na yun. Okay, kung 1,000 siya, di 1,000 ko siya sa net. Ganon, type of thing, okay? So, last year, 2025, naka-attend ako finally. Ang hindi ko lang natin ng last year, honestly, na talagang like pinaghirapan ko para makuha yung ticket is SB19. Simula at wakas. Kainis! Hindi ako nakapunta. Why? Another exam happened. At ang malala pa dun, it turn out pala yung isa namin, hindi siya nung araw na yun. Like, I'm shitting right now. Kainis lang. So, binenta ko yung ticket ko, same price kung paano ko siya nabili. For it to like, kind of opportunity. Pero, also at this moment, wala akong masyadong pera. So, a win is a win, but at the same time, a lose is a lose. And then this year, nagka-concert sila ulit. May pera na ako, pero hindi ako umattend. Guess what, anong pinuntahan ko instead? Aurora Music Festival. Yes, nandun sila and nakita ko sila in person. My gosh, ang gwapo nilang lahat. The aura is aurawing talaga for real for all of them. Like, seriously. And also, like, totoo yung sinabi nila, ang ganda ng boses ni Self in person. Like, parang pili ko na sa music video pa yung mga boses nila. Like, kaya nakapagkama lang nagli-lip-sing eh. Ang gaganda kasi ng boses. Anyway, so that's all the concert I have attended. Other than that, there's another places na pinunta natin. Yun, pumunta kami ng Cavite to like beach, to go to beaches. there like probably several times last year. And then this year, sa Batangas na kami pumunta. So, unang pinuntahan namin probably sa Batangas, nag-start siya last year is, sorry, umaakit yung acid ko, is yung, hindi ko na maalala kung anong lugar yun, pero hindi masyadong malinaw yung tubig. Pero ngayon, like ngayong taon, like first outing ng taon talaga ang nangyari, B. Nasa Lian, Batangas kami pumunta. Oh, by the way, those moments, like Aurora Festival and then the beach trip sa Lian, Batangas was all filmed. Probably will see it much, much like further from this video upload. Okay. Kasi na nga, nag-beach trip kami finally. Nasa, literal na nasa, ano ko yung girl. Tawag nun? Vision board. Tapos sabay talaga nangyari siya. Oh my God, manifesting talaga, girl. Na-manifest siya for real. So, yun na yun. Aside doon, may napuntahan pa ba ako iba ngayon? Oh! I did also, running last year. Feeling ko, napakita ka na yata to sa inyo. Oo. Tapos sabay for the second time, and the first time this year, pumunta ako nag-try ako ng 2D na museo tuloy, na sinihan. Kasi the first time I tried that, probably nung ko pa, 22nd birthday, 23rd birthday, o 21st. I don't know. I can't remember it. So, ayun. Yun yung unang beses na nag-sini ako. And IMAX yung napuntahan ko ng araw na yun. So, this year, sinamahan ko yung ate ko. Ako actually yung gumastos nun eh. Gusto niya kasi manood ng movie sa sinihan. Like, para makita yung Project Hail Mary. Maganda siya, okay? So, sulit yung bayad. Sa 2D kami nanood. So, tinaray ko yung bakit na napakalaking popcorn, girl. Hindi ko naubos. Tapos may ice cream kasi kami binili. Yung ice cream na nabibili sa sinihan. Masarap siya. Hindi ko alam paano ginawa yun. Kung organic ba yun or whatever. I don't care really. Pero yun na nga. Nag-try ako ng 2D. Tapos sabay. Almost the same lang siya sa IMAX. Except mas malawak yung upuan sa IMAX. And parang saka parang unti lang yung seating sa IMAX. Kasi parang ka na directors, parang bang close friend mo lang yung a-attend dun sa IMAX. Dun sa parang bang may wedding na magaganap sa sobrang daming chairs, ganun, sa 2D. Pero, nice experience. Other than that, wala na yatok na puntahan this year. Mostly, last year pa siya. Kasi, ang girl na to, puro work and bahay na lang ang itutupag. And, by the way, I haven't run in a while in workout. At this point, I'm so lucky na kahit tumaas yung timbang ko, like bumigat ako, hindi ako obviously na kitang-kitang tumaba. Para bang same ko pa din to. Face pads and body pads. Siguro dahil po panay lakad din ako sa work namin and then dito sa bahay. Maligalig talaga ang person, kaya probably that's the reason parang di ako tumataba. So, the next topic and probably second to the last, kasi isasama ko na rito yung papakita ko sa inyo ng vision board ko at ano yung na-ekesa na natin so far sa vision board ko na yun. So, second to the last topic is future plans. Ano bang future plans ko? What I say? So, as someone na malapit ng maging regular sa namin, sana ma-regular sa center namin. Sorry for that. Wish ko tumaas yung sahod ko. Probably, tataas talaga yun kasi iba talaga ang sahod pag probational ka pa lang at regular ka na. And second of all, sana magawa ko yung mga trainings at mga seminars. Marami pa tayong mapuntahang mga places and sana makapag solo travel din ako bago matapos yung taong ito. Like, sana payagan ako, okay. And then, second to the last is about future plan. I sana gumaling tayo sa pagiging dialysis nurse and pagiging nurse overall kasi feeling ko these days nawawala na yung mga memory ko about na being a nurse, like skill wise and skill wise and knowledge wise. Okay, so I'm planning to like probably do a study vlog so I can really focus on learning, relearning those things kasi feeling ko nandiyan pa sila sa utak ko but at the same time I can seem to remember what does it means, like alam mo yun, like naalala mo siya, familiar yung pangalan pero hindi mo maalala kung para saan yun. Ganong feeling siya. So, kailangan nating i-relearn lahat yun. Hindi naman siya lahat ng topic, okay? Just some lang. Lalo na sa nutrition. I'm bad at nutrition and drugs so much. So, kailangan nating i-relearn talaga yung part na yun. Especially, kailangan namin siya every first day and week of the month. Kasi doon nangyayari yung monthly lab namin. And, of course, health teachings, important yun sa mga bago naming admit na patient, etc. Like, paano ako magiging magaling na nurse kung hindi ko naman alam yun, di ba? And then, sana din, tumagal ako sa center namin. I'm planning to like work there for like 2 to 3 years hanggang sa mapagod ako sa mga taon na yun. Pagtapos nun, probably, I'm planning to like switch career or maybe work in the hospital. But it seems like probably the latter. Like, switch career. Ang balak na girl. Ay, sorry. Anyway, the last thing I want for my future plans is, aside from getting a passport, wanting to probably travel abroad and buying a car for my mom, Nelly is saving $1 million. Sure. Eme, is saving a lot of money and just my vision board. Overall, vision board for like my whole life will become a reality. Yun lang ang dream ko. And for the last thing right now is the vision board. I'm going to show you. I'm going to get it first. So, nasa loob siya ng bahay namin. I'm going to show you now my vision board and what it's have been. So, yan yun. Take a look of it. So, yan yun. So far, so ano naman tayo, marami tayong hindi pa nagagawa sa vision board na to. Ang nagagawa ko pa lang dito is probably yung na-hired ako. Ito, mirror selfie at our work. Meron ako yan. Like, seriously. A lot of cards, like, for different purposes, I have a lot of that. A lot of cards, I mean. And then, a picture that look like this. So, no sugar, I'm sweet enough. This year, for the second time, no. It didn't happen at all. At kailangan na natin siyang simulang i-quit talaga this upcoming June to like December. So, sorry about that. Naputol dahil ang story ng babaeng to ay napuno. So, coming back to our vision board. So, hindi ko na fulfill yung no sit this year kasi such a, mahilig ako sa matatamis, okay? And planning ko na talagang tigilan siya this upcoming June to December, okay? Kasi it's either titigilan ko siya or magkaka-diabetes tayo ng wala sa oras, okay? So, second of all, hindi na matutuloy ang pagkakaroon natin ng sariling kwarto kasi planning ng parents ko na hindi na ipagawa ang bahay namin kasi wala, hindi lang nila trip at nagmamahal na din yung mga supplies ng pagpapagawa. So, medyo nagmamahal na din yung siya. Then, wala siyang gagawa. wala silang mapiling gagawa na maayos, like, worth it yung binayad mong type ng gagawa. So, yan. Hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng ating sariling bed at roof. And then, next thing is, na-fulfill yung picture ko na dito. Beach, beach picture kasi, like I said, nag-Lian, Batangas kami. Nag-beach kami sa Lian, Batangas, okay? And then, the next thing is probably me Bible reading, which is this one. Okay. Meron akong aesthetic na picture ng ganyan. And I did like earlier this year and then ngayon medyo nawawala-wala tayo sa aurahan natin at hindi na tayo masyado nakakapag Bible reading and simba. I don't know why. I need to go back on track for real, for real. And then, the rest niyan, as you can see, walang sulat ni Anesh. Haven't fulfilled yet. And we have like 7 months to go before this year, and I'm like right now I need to keep my shit together or else this vision board is just a fantasy. Okay. So, so far so good naman ang buhay ng babaeng to this year. So, that's it for the update of my life. So, bye-bye na everyone. Dito na nagtatapos yun. Actually. Actually, no. Let me just finish this up. Finish this up. Finish, finish this up. And we're officially done. And see you sa mga next vlog. So, the music is still blasting, guys, by the way. Hanggang mamayang siguro 10 p.m. pa yan. So, balance sa buhay nila. Ina-noise cancel ko na lang to if ever na naririnig yun siya. Kasi, I cannot. Okay, this is the only day off I have other than Sunday this year. This week. This year. Over naman sa this year. No. This week. And this Sunday, I'm going to be real busy kasi the next day after that is like a move-in day for us. And we have a like work meeting sa Sunday. Okay. Kasi naglilipat na kami. If di nyo alam, guys, lilipat na kami sa bagong branch ng center namin. Malapit na pa rin naman siya sa bahay ko. Except yung center na yun, nasa loob na siya ng mall this time. So, sorry, umakit yung acid ko. Kaya, maraming processes ang ginagawa this month. And, thank God, hindi na nagkakamali ang girly na to after 5 months niyang pag-work. So, that's it for the whole life update and what's my life lately vlog. And the sky at the back is giving like, and the half moon, kanina pa yan nandyan, nandito siya kanina, and then lumipat na siya doon. Probably nasa taas niya mamaya kasi paggabi na. Ang oras natin currently, before ko tapusin ay saktong 6 p.m. Naka-military ako kasi sinasanay ko yung sarili ko. Palagi ako nalilate dati dahil hindi siya naka-military. So, military ko. So, that's it for this vlog. Bye-bye! And see you sa mga susunod.